Food is seen everywhere in chemistry, whether it is unhealthy or healthy to eat or to drink. It is what fuels our body and allows us to do everyday activities, so we should care about the science behind it. This is Bay.
In order to ripen our fruits once they get to the store, we use ethers. Ethers are a type of functional group. They start with an oxygen and have an R or an R prime on either side. These stand for different branches. The branches can be counted by looking at the carbons. Through the carbons you get names, and then you can name your whole functional group. Okay, so now we're going to make a slushie. Yeah.
Slushies.
Slushies. Ice. It's a solid. Ice is a solid. It is the solid form of H2O, more commonly known as water. When you freeze it, the particles get tight, causing it to form ice. Strawberries.
Let's do it more.
That can be enough. Powerade. It's open because Liam drank out of it yesterday. That should be enough. Yummy! Oh, this is a liquid! Liquid.
I'm gonna put.
Liquid. Oh!
What?
Yeah, that way.
Okay. Yeah, that's on.
Yeah, then you gotta snap it. Now we blend, which will turn this into a homogeneous solution.
Any more liquid? Okay, it's just staying there.
It's looking pretty heterogeneous. See, the reason that this is heterogeneous right now is because you can take it apart like this is the whole strawberry. No.
Oh my god.
It's really hot. Oh yeah. Look at that homogeneous mixture.
First bite of death.
Are you scared?
Yeah. Yeah.
How is it?
All I taste is the fruit punch and the strawberry seeds. Oh, there's the strawberry. It's at the end. It's like no flavor. You need sugar.
Really?
Yeah.
In order for our cars to run, we must first fill them with gasoline. Gasoline comes from petroleum, a resource from the Earth's crust that can be split in order to create different types of fuel. In fact, gasoline only makes up just about 40% of petroleum. Petroleum is split by using fractional distillation, also known as fracking. Fracking uses the boiling points of the different types of fuel within petroleum to separate them within the Earth's surface.
Hydrocarbons are made from links of carbons and can have branches of more carbons off of them. pH is a scale from 0 to 14. 0 to 6 is acidic, 7 is neutral, and 8 to 14 is basic. 0 to 6 contains more hydrogens, and 8 to 14 contains more hydroxides, and 7 contains a balanced amount.
A little cool.
How cold?
I don't know, I'm gonna check the temperature. Another application of chemistry in everyday life is the use of the functional group esters. Esters are what we use for perfumes to give off scents. Esters are centered around a carbon. This carbon always has a double bond to an oxygen, and then it has one bond to an R, and then another bond to an oxygen, and then another R group. R's stand for carbon chains or cyclic carbons. PVC pipes are an example of the functional group halocarbons. Halocarbons are similar to hydrocarbons, but instead of having branches of carbons off of the original chain, you have fluorine, bromine, iodine, or chlorine off of the original chain.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Benzene is one of the most common aromatic rings. Benzene is cyclic. It has 6 carbons attached to it. It also contains double bonds. Styrofoam is very similar to benzene in structure. It starts out with the original benzene structure, and then you add the branch with the double bond at the end. This creates styrene, which forms styrofoam.
Chemistry is important, but it sucks.